question.
As parents coming from the first generations of immigrants such as India, China, Korea, and Africa living in the white countries such as UK and US, we will choose to live and raise children based on our cultures and live them in our community or ethnical enclaves such as Little India, Chinatown, and Koreatown. The dilemma of the motions is that the motions demand affirmative theme that why if they're raised and each based on the culture and isolate themselves will create a betterment, and also why the oppositions need to play on how parents should raise children outside the ethnical enclave and find ways to integrate themselves to public. What we believe is that the idea of integrations will also be better in our side of the house. As the Prime Minister, I will talk about in several angles. First, the angles of the parents, second, the angles of the cultural value for the children, and also the third, the portrayal of white country circumstances. As parents, you are the first immigrants, meaning you coming the new places, for example, the white country itself, you are going to start everything from zero. You are going to start everything from nothing. You left everything in your country, such as family, relative, and opportunity there that you are going to coming to the new places. Meaning that you need to build your own houses, you need to build your own business in this country. What you need to do is that you need to adjust and adapt to something that is totally new for you. What we know is that the idea of adaptations is not something easy. You have to change your behavior, you have to change your dailies, you have to change everything you already undergo through. In the philosophically, people have the intuitive sense to stay with people with the same behavior, with the same background, ladies and gentlemen, because the idea of relativity and also because you are going to relate with someone who have the same experiences you are going through. Meaning, by this kind of thing, it is very good for you to live in ethnical enclave. And also, living in ethnical enclave will help you to have a supportive system or supportive environment. What does it mean? Because exactly in the ethnical enclave, everyone is starting from zero related to the business and also the development of community itself. What does it mean? Is that there will be no discrimination within the communal itself, because exactly no one feel more than the others, ladies and gentlemen. Exactly, you are going to face the same problems, you are going to face the same struggles within your communal. You are going to have an equal starting point, which is benefited yourself in order to progressivity and also in order for you to survive in the daily. And so what we believe is that living in the ethnical enclave is so beneficial for you. We know that parents is responsible for their children. What does it mean is that exactly going to the ethnical enclave, they are going to build certain business, for example, a restaurant or a hotel or the guest house, for example. Because exactly as the minority, you all know that you are the minority there. You know that because you already know that the idea of discriminations can be as subtle as a silent exclusionary or even to the extent of rejection, such as in jobs or educations. This kind of thing is already being expected by the parents that your kids is going to face about in the futures. Living in the ethnical enclave and build their own business is going to help you to settle in your country, ladies and gentlemen, because you are going to have your property, you are going to have business that is going to guarantee you to survive for the next day. And the second, about the idea of cultural value for children. Exactly, as parents, you are going to raise your children based on your own value, based on how parents teach you in the prior time. It is very good for you to live in the ethnical enclave because of you have a supportive environment to teach about culture, ladies and gentlemen, to talk in your native language, for example, because exactly as an Indian parents, you are going to teach your Indian value with India language. As a Chinese parents, you are going to teach about Chinese value with Mandarin, for example. Exactly what happened in the ethnical enclave such as Little India, Chinatown, and Koreatown is that every parents raise children in the same way. What will happen is that the children is not going to face about the idea of cultural shocks if they are going to stay in the regular residents, and also that the children is going to know about the identity cultures because they teach in their dailies. The idea of integrations, we know that this is very important to begin with, but we know that it is also happen in our side of the house because exactly the children is also going to keep up with others by the idea of that they are going to get educations and they are going to go to school, and exactly they are going to learn that there will be a lot of spectrums towards them, and they will also learn about the idea of diversity and inclusivity that is happen in that set of the house, and the third things about the idea of white country circumstances. We know that the law and protections towards the minority in the white country is something uncertain. The uncertainty of the existence going to the minority group in order to show that they have to totally rely on their own to survive. They have to rely on their own community. They have to rely to have an aware that they need to advocate their own community. For example, the idea of anti-discrimination law and regulation that is protect society is not going to pass the parliament because it is not something populist to begin with. So exactly the implementations of the idea of inclusivity will not be ideal in the world. It is also hard to make society accept the minority group because exactly first they are going to influence by the pre-existing stigma about the minority, such as the Islamophobic that is happen in US, for example, that is going to avoid any Islam people, and also minority and majority becoming more distant if they are stay in public because no guarantee that the majority will understand and relate problem the minority is facing, and also the no guarantee that they will help the minority in order to solve the problems and troubles. Last and the most important is that the availability of the assistance from the minority group itself. What we believe is that by living in a communal, it is benefited to the idea of integration advocacy. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this house, as a first-generation immigrant parents of color in a predominantly white country, will choose to live and raise children in an ethnic enclave. What I'm going to talk is that three main ideas: is that the idea of identity, the idea of advocacy, and the idea of integrations. Now we believe that the people of color are currently become the minority, and the problem within this minority is that they faces a lot of racism, right? Or even if there is a progressivity, it is just a kind of shadow progressivity where even if there are progressivity in the surface, but practically down there the racism is still happening. As parents, of course, our biggest concern is our children. We want our kids to be happy and at the end of the day easy to adapt in our new neighborhood. The first generation parents bring their kid to this new country with a different culture, right? The problem of racism is actually they face both online in real life, even structurally. As a first generation parent, we should adapt to a new culture and make our kid adapt to a new culture slowly, because it will not easy to do it very radically. When we raise our kids in an ethnic enclave, we can still teach them the cultural value without afraid of being judged or bullied by the neighbor around us. Now, move to the first idea about the identity. We know that there are so many immigrants in, like for example, in America, that complain a lot about how they are being treated differently just because they have this different race. Like how for example, this an American comedian who then speak up, like Hasan Minhas, who once complained about how he become bullied by his peer, by his friends, just because his parents has different way of teaching. This kind of problem likely to happen if these people or Hasan Minhaj and his family eventually live in a little India or in ethnically something like this. This will bring you to the sense of identity. It will make them realize that indeed they are different from the majority. The majority is the white people, and it is something that they should be, and it is not something that they should not change, and it is something that should not be at the end of the day become whitewashed, and so on and so forth. Because when we are talking about democratic country, we are very valuing differences, and this identity is something that we have to respect. Also, we are the melting pot, and even if we are different from another. Therefore, we believe that we believe that we are still going to, raise our children in like a in a ethical place at the end of the day. But second, most important of all, we in the idea of advocacy, we believe that what's so important about this minority is at the end of the day how their voice can be heard, because it will create a sustainable benefit for these children, right? The moment you live together in a community with the same race as you or with the same culture as you will have this communal community, which is at the end can lead you to a lot more change. Like for example, because you basically you live on that region with the same people as you, then you can vote for someone who can be your delegation, and those vote will those people who are become delegation will likely to get vote because you have the same at least you have the same race as you, which also means that these people also have the same interest as you. This is exactly what happened in Dearborn, Michigan, for example, where they have the Muslim mayor, for example, because they create this neighborhood become like, for example, like Arab town and so on and so forth. And at the end, when you become as a minority, you at the end of the day can gain that voice, can gain that vote. You at the end have more stronger bargaining position in the government, so that you as a minority your voice can be heard, and of course your necessity can be fulfilled by the government, of course. But also, most important of all, the sense of advocacy is not just about about politician, but it's also how these people, because you have the same experience, for example, being bullied and so on and so forth. At the end of the day, you can have the support system, because. Notice on what happened in the UK, where there is a Syrian student who at the end of the day being bullied and even killed because their peers are bullied her just because she is an Arab or just because she is a Muslim. It is very problematic, right? It is if we can change this problem, if we can solve this problem, or at least it will less likely to happen in the neighborhood where these children or this girl living in an in an ethnic enclave, where at least she will have those people who are going to support her if she gets bullied and so on and so forth. She will have the support system, because other people feels the same way, and then at the end of the day can create we can prevent these kids from being killed by their peers, because that is a very scary thing to begin with, right? Therefore, again and again, we should just live and raise our children in an ethnical enclave as a first generation parent. But also, the third one, most important of all, the integration is still going to happen under our case, right? Because for example, like Chinatown or Little India or Koreatown, etc., is a cultural place that not only become a place for people, for this minority to be someone who stay there or to live there, but also a place where cultural business are built and attract people to come. This is where the integration going to happen, because when you are talking about the integration, means that you are talking about how these people interact with one another, right? And this is actually, for example, how like this cultural place become attractive to other people, and then these people eventually come, or there is like some kind of business and trading going on, become integration. There are a lot of examples on that, right? Like for example, how trading become the tool of integration is happening a lot of times, like what happened in Indonesia, where we are integrate with trader from Arabic countries, from Chinese country, because we are trading to one another. We really believe that at the end of the day, as a first generation immigrant parent of color, it will create a sustainable beneficial for our kids. Our kids are going to be happy if we choose to live and raise children in an ethical way. Very proud to propose. Thank you.